If you look inside here, we have some eggs, ham, chicken, spinach, tomatoes, cheese. Alright, time is 1:35, 1:36. I have a meeting at 2 and I have to make lunch. So we're gonna make a quick lunch wrap. Start with a pan. Here. This is gonna be mission wraps, spinach, some ham. Here I've got chicken, but you can just use ham or chicken. Got some cheese. And a few tomatoes. And eggs. So let's start with the eggs. Beautiful large eggs. Start heating it up. Here we're going to do 4 eggs. Sorry if I'm speeding through this. I just had a meeting at 2 and I do want to eat a bit beforehand. So I am rushing. Here. This one. Three. And 4. No shells, baby. Wash your hands. Let's beat these for a bit. And season them a bit. This is a wrap, so it comes with many different ingredients. Ideally, you'd want to season them all separately. That's quite a bit of oil. But it's fine. You know what? We're actually going to add our cherry tomatoes to the pan, because if we put them in the wrap, they're just going to escape. If you have large tomatoes, then you can just put them inside the wrap, but these ones will probably just fall off. Let's give these a little chop. We're about 4 minutes in. Let's get a spatula. Yeah, we can use this. There we go. Sorry. Tomatoes go in first. You can scramble these, you can do whatever you want with them. In my case, I think I'm just gonna sort of make an omelet. But then you know how most omelets end up. Go. You could also chuck some onions here if you'd like. In my case, I won't. Let's get the spinach going. And here we're not going to cook it, we're just going to keep it crunchy and raw. Here we're going to make maybe 2 wraps. Just starting to look good. Yes, here we go. Can almost just put a pan on this. Let it cook. Here we go. Just gonna give this a rough chop. Just like that. I'm gonna lay our eggs here. Start prepping the wrap. Wraps. Just gonna give this a quick flip. Oh, there we go. Drop some egg. You can see this is still quite runny. Looks good to me. It's probably going to cook internally a bit more as well. No, actually, it does need a bit more heat. You can see this is quite runny. Let's think about our sauce. I think we're just going to do some mayo on here. Mayo's good. We've got our cheese as well. We've got our ham. Yeah, this should be fine. It's good to go. Put this here. And now we just want to put our tortillas on there, or wraps rather. We have a bit of egg left, so let's just do this. When we flip it over, the egg's gonna cook anyways. Zero waste policy. And here we also have the eggs. Start doing some of the washing now. How are we doing for time? 44. 45. It's been 9 minutes. Good. Plate. Grab a nice plate. There you go. That should be good. Look at that. Still flimsy. We don't want it to be too crunchy. Gotta reduce the heat a bit. Here we're just gonna start assembling our first wrap. some egg, more egg. For this, slice of chicken, not looking great, is it? Not yet expired. This, and then let's throw in some cheddar. That's our first wrap. Could also use some sriracha. Just here. And our other wrap should be good to go. Forgot to turn it around. A bit too cooked in my opinion, but it's still fine. Yeah, the first wrap, which we're gonna now make a cross section of for the video. That looks great. Let's think how to do this strategically. Put the wrap here. Second wrap ready. Go. Chicken. This one's gonna be with ham. And cheese. And let's do ketchup for this one. And mayo. Oh. That looks awful. It's fine. Bam. That's what happens when you make the shell a bit too tough. It's still fine though. Now for the cross section. Fantastic. this is basically done. So that was 14 minutes for 2 beautiful wraps. Time to take some pictures. But yeah, that's basically it. So I still have, what, 9 minutes to eat? I can eat this during the meeting as well. But that's pretty much it. This took around 15 minutes. I'm sure it'll be very tasty. If you look inside here, we have some eggs, ham, chicken, spinach, tomatoes, cheese. I'll come up with the protein count on the screen now. This is super cheap as well. Probably definitely under 1 pound per wrap. I'll put everything in the description and maybe on the screen now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, stick along for the next ones. I'll also be putting up pictures, or rather links to my socials. I'm gonna start a TikTok and an Instagram Reels. Yeah, you can follow those as well. The recipe will be in the description. Okay, I'm done taking the pictures. So now I just wanted to record myself taking the first bite. Just for you, baby. Wow. Yep, this is really good. It's 1:54, so I still have 5 or 6 minutes to eat. Hashtag EA capitalism. Alright, have a good one. Bye-bye.